all you have to do, Donna, all you have to do, I come up and say, people, me not gonna tell no lie. Me don't know what make me say so, but me say it. And this is why I said it. You see, because Derrick is coming from a place where he's not used to certain things. I don't want him to use all the money that has been sold, that has been collected from the clothes that have been sold, and spend it. That's all you have to say, Miss Donna. That is all you have to say. You don't have to say nothing more in a life. You can't in an underline mix up and want to come in the public. People will have their eyes on you. Lady, you go into the shadows and go do what you do and leave Derrick Morgan alone. If you and Derrick are friends from day one, why you treat your friends like that? If you and Derrick are friends from day one and you know that Derrick will not curse you out and he has never cursed you, you understand me? Why exactly? Why you treat him like that? That is the thing we want to know. On the wrong and strong, I'm going to keep talking about people out there where talk and I say this and I say that, they are not going to help. Big, nasty stretch out, Donna. Nobody never come on the internet to offer hospitality. And you come on the internet to offer aid. And you come on the internet and tell Dick, Tom and Harry to call you and send barrel. And you, nobody else. So if anybody ever ring them ankle or broke them toenail in a Jamaica and need help, check Donna 99 Mountain View. Check Donna. Is what you come on the internet come do, or you make it out of the charity now. You make it your master Ponzi scheme. You feel you reach your land, you arrive, you turn airport. Then let me tell you something, a long time you suffer. Long time you suffer, and this is the best of your life. Best of your life. You have to treat it with respect because it's not all that holy. Remember, say it full of shenanigans. It's not all that holy. At the best of your life now. This has never happened to you as a child, as a fetus, as a teenager. This happened to you when you're old. The same set of people when you don't want to eat box food, and them same set of people that get up on your feet. Remember them you're using in order to gain recognition and finance. You don't want these persons who you put up as front runners, these persons who you use as clickbait, these persons who you put to the people, to the vision. You don't want them to enjoy themselves. What reason you have for the man not to eat a $700 food, but yet still you build house, you a mad woman? Eh? Put 700 among a block. Put $700 amongst steel and cement. Maybe you're nervous in the fact that he just started something and what seemed to be lavish to you, you understand me, is detrimental to him. You understand what I say? So me understand your concern, but your concern was not brought properly. It was brought out of hype and disdain. Later you're dead, LT. It best you die healthy. You know the core, you know the feeling. Let me tell you something, Miss Donna. Since you have missed it, since you graduated from your spaghetti dress, you understand me? You have missed every single thing. Remember, Donna, when you did feel like you're old because you're changing phases based on your age. Every time your birthday come, you feel 1,000 times older. You feel like poverty cave you in. You remember those days, Miss Donna? Because you can never sit on the internet and say none of your days have never been visited with hunger. Remember how you present yourself from YouTube days, Facebook days. And now we stop calling you a big woman and now we are calling you a girl. Remember appear respect outfit you used to wear back then. And then along in the because just 2 minutes ago. All all of your outfit them from your turn on Facebook and YouTube. We have to salute you and we in the army because we say poverty and a woman will try to push through hunger and sufferation. You don't remember them days there. You don't remember them days there. So how can you tell me say you're blessed now and you're not attack something where you call blessing with grace? Where the Jesus where you used to spit? Where is the Jesus that you came to us with? What does it profit a man to gain this world and lose his soul, Miss Donna? You came on the internet as a nice, beautiful creature. You're very materialistic. Very materialistic. You came wanting persons to respect you because of your religion. Donna the cooking show, me no know how you reach Donna the girl. Me no know some. So me don't like to know when you have Saloni underneath your wings where she used to name. Nobody not think about that. When you have Saloni underneath your wings, where Saloni used to eat in front of you because she could never eat a lobster. How should she eat a lobster? So when you say you build this to Saloni, or you treat her, because it makes no sense to put a sick man in a palace. He's not going to understand. He's not going to understand anything at all, or the luxury of the palace. Everything what you do it sideways so your own benefit, to mask your own wrongs. Every single thing that you do. Every single thing, mother. Mother, every single thing what you do. You don't want a man that you don't build a house for. You don't want him to eat a food. So the one where you build a house, where you want them eat? What have they been eating? Talk to me. Private. Thank you. Mother. But you see, I always say this. I can't blame Donna 100%. I have to blame my 80 NJ and give the audience 20. You see, uno dirty people. There's rain! Yeah, you see, uno dirty people, uno encourage the nastiest and the worst set of things. And let me tell you something. You see, all of we who depend on the internet, we treat people like shit. Can me hear one boy say, me don't want no old man. Eh? And them say, oh, no one of my gifter. You think you can buy me out? We all know how we started. The whole of we take bribe based on lion, tigers and bears. Ask World Dog. All of us take bribe. All of us. If it had not been for the tops and the roses, I would not, maybe me that depend on the internet still. You understand me? But a lot of persons would not be on the internet. A lot of disgrace and excitement would not be on the internet. We need to treat people with respect and we need to treat people good. If somebody come to you for help, help them. You're not gonna like everybody in the world. Who you not like, make it known, please. Because we can't take the confrontation most of the times. And that's just the truth. We like to state that we're helping in order to gain recognition. That is why most of the times we say we are help. We are help. No, this is how Donna truly feel about Saloni. This is how Donna truly feel about the people them around her. Remember Paula that Donna have in the kitchen and around the back. Remember Paula was donated to Donna. Remember Paula will help Donna will walk and pick up behind Donna. And just last week Paula get her papers. Welcome to Kingston, Paula. When you understand, when you see it, it makes no sense me to help you in order to govern you. No. Then you think Miss Donna never sit down and pencil out this and say Donna the cooking show not working. Donna, why your Bible not underneath your arm? You're involved in everything that is ungodly more than the stuff that are godly. Remember how you present yourself to us. I'm too crowded. It's true. You're always wrong and strong. Alright. Aunty Donna, the plantation gone right down. This is what you do on a regular. That is why if you're a big long time before time center coffee table, you cannot get off the internet. This is what you do at all times. There is no privacy in your life more than the things that you ever hide. The assets that you ever hide. There is no other privacy in your life. Why you always take out your camera and not video people and simple situations in order to stay relevant? Why not video the things them where you accomplish based on charity and you have to be hiding them? What if a talk you're not talking? Now the manipulating comes where you make Ramesh sign you make Ramesh take you up and say my manager, and yet still your fame is going down. You're using Derrick Morgan because his slogans are well known. So you're using Derrick now to keep yourself relevant. You want it to be said that you and Derrick having a feud. In order to stay relevant, it's not going to work. Number one, you're uneducated to come up with schemes like these. You're uneducated. Nothing to you, not even coffee. And this is your problem. Back then, before Facebook, IG, and all of those things, when it was only local media and corner chatting, all of you used to say, me no like attention, you know. Me no love crowd, you know. All of you used to say that. Me is a private individual, you know. Me keep my business to myself. Where it all gone? And for a big old woman, when you look at situations like Derrick, he's never far from what got you started and what put you on top. When you see Derrick Morgan and name something substantial that you think is substantial, you should have run go buy him one more. Because these are the persons that put you, Donna go up or Donna come here, that put you on top. These are the persons, and it's such a shame that the ones who you sacrifice in order to be on top, and them now you reject. Remember, you got no skills, you got no talent, you got no depth, you have no personality. You remember that? These four elements you're short of. So what got you to where you are? situations like Derrick.